Allison DOC version 2024 is a professional diagnostic software designed specifically for Allison automatic transmissions. It is now officially distributed by the company Diagtech Pro, available through the website diagtechpro.com. This software allows technicians to read and clear diagnostic trouble codes, monitor live transmission data, check CAN bus communication, reset transmission control modules, and perform advanced calibrations. The interface is easy to use and supports both Windows 10 and Windows 11 operating systems. One of the most useful features is called Advanced Help. This function allows users to download official instructional videos directly inside the software. These videos help technicians follow correct troubleshooting steps, especially when dealing with fault codes such as P0122. Diagtech Pro provides the full solution package, including the licensed software, compatible USB hardware, and one-on-one technical support. This product is trusted by many workshops and transport businesses across the country. If you are looking for a reliable and factory-grade diagnostic tool for Allison transmissions, visit diagtechpro.com today and bring professional precision to your repair process.